In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a pop-up with Card. We'll create a clean pop-up style reveal using Card's built-in animation tools, so your content draws attention without extra code or add-ons. Start by heading to Card in your browser and opening the site you want to edit. Once you're in the builder, open the specific page you're working on. Now click the element you want to pop up. This could be a text block, an image, a button, or a container that holds multiple items. Make sure the correct item is selected so its settings appear in the side panel. If your content is grouped, click the parent container rather than a single item inside it for a unified effect. With the element selected, look for the small play icon. Click that to open the animation controls. This panel is where you decide how the element will appear and what triggers it. Choose the animation option to set up the entrance behavior. These settings control the motion and timing, so think about the feeling you want. Subtle and smooth for professional content, or a bit bolder if you need to grab attention fast. Set the trigger to on visible. This means the animation plays when the element becomes visible on the page, either right on load or as the user scrolls to it. It's a simple way to make something feel like a pop-up without disrupting the browsing experience. Now choose your animation style. You'll find options like fade up, fade down, and many more. Adjust duration and delay to fine-tune the pacing. A shorter duration feels snappier. A small delay can stagger elements for a polished sequence. Keep it light. Too much motion can be distracting. When you're happy, click Done to save the animation. Give it a quick preview to make sure it appears naturally and reads well on both desktop and mobile. If it feels too abrupt or too slow, tweak the duration or delay until it matches your page's rhythm. That's it. Your pop-up effect is ready to go.